Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be doing mobile blasting. Superior Courthouse in Burlington, Vermont has some older light. I apologize for the shaking. It's on our rearview mirror. Older light, they're not, I don't think they're sconces, but they're older light poles or whatever. So we're just going to hit those. This should be a small job, couple hours, and then we're going to be heading to another residence to do a back of a plow truck. So this video will be pretty short, so enjoy. Just started videoing. We just got this one done. We haven't painted it yet. In front of the courthouse. And this is how bad it was. So went from that. She's working good. He's filling up right now. Getting ready for round two. Okay, both have been blasted. A lot better than it was. And now we're gonna blow this all off and then we're gonna paint. But yeah, I think it's looking good. We did not do, they could not get the light bulbs off, so we did not do that. They're gonna do that part by hand, but the rest of it, we did. Job has been completed. It is done and painted. I love how ornate this is. We just didn't do up near the end of the bulbs because they weren't able to take the bulbs off.